This is the Z-Blaze GTR for round 3. You've got all kinds of different controls, including a flashlight that can help you find your car in the dark if you need to. You've got your settings and brightness and Bluetooth calling built into this one that you can toggle on and off right here from the screen. You can see your current step count, calories burned, and distance traveled for the day. You've got a 24-hour continuous heart rate monitoring using the green diode technology back there. Shows you your current heart rate, your high and your low, and an actual chart of your heart rate as it progresses. You got blood oxygen on this one using red diode technology. It just shows you one reading when it calculates it, but in the app, you're still getting continuous readings every 10 minutes, I believe, of your blood oxygen all through the night. A nice feature of this one is that you have temperature built into it. It's using a little silver probe on the bottom. You get your automatic skin temperature, and it calculates your body temperature, and it's real sensitive. It varies maybe 1 or 2 degrees throughout the night and day, and you can kind of keep track of that. You get weather reports in your area on this, and of course your sleep information is on here as well. Just your basic stuff, and a much more elaborate chart is in the app. You've got a music player that will remotely play the music through the speaker right here on the watch, but you have your music on your phone. That's the last app. Come back here. I can hit this button and get you into all of your different activities. And as it mentioned, there's tons and tons of these. You've got all kinds of gym stuff, running stuff, martial arts, hockey, dancing. It just goes on and on. Huge number of things that you can do there, and that's all in training. Here's your step count. You have your calling. When you turn this on and switch it on, you access your keypad, call logs, and contacts, and of course you can receive or make calls. Heart rate, body temperature, sleep time, blood pressure, blood oxygen, weather, music. We showed you all those. You got messages pushed from your phone, alarms. This will do respiration rate too. You can go into a breathing exercise and relax from there. You got a couple of games in here, a bird game and a number game. You got voice assistant for asking Google or Siri things. And in functions, you've got your stopwatch, timer, flashlight, even a calculator built into this one. Overall settings, and there's the female information directly on the watch after you set it up in the app. It's really a sweet watch. You can download custom watch faces. This is one of them. Or you can switch to any of the stock watch faces at all, like this one, that even has hot buttons on it. So you can go to these different things that you choose. It's extremely lightweight for everything that it does, smartwatch. It's really well built. It's got an integrated band. If you look at the band itself, it's curved and matches with it. Temperature probe, diodes, charger, 2 buttons, microphone, speaker. What more can I say? It's a really sweet watch. It's the Z-Blaze GTR3. Check it out.